Hey, hey, hey. Look where we're at. Not a casino. We're on a cruise ship. And we found a Dragon Link that's open. Unbelievable. Now, can we get lucky on this is the question. We've got a little over $100 in here. We're gonna try some $5 spins, see if we can't get a minor or a bunch of minis, maybe even a jackpot. Let's try it. Let's get it. All right. So, we need a bunch of these. And my luck on this never pans out. All right, let's cash out. Come on, glowing fireballs. Don't keep passing me up. Stop on it for me. We saw a couple people hit these orbs. The lady to the right of us got some other game and got the major, which was awesome. Gives us hope. And we need buckets in the not in the literal sense. We're still floating here, but we need some for this game. All right, our bet back is good. Let's get one bonus, please. Oh, flags, flags. Oh, I need this early on so we have a chance of getting it. Oh, why don't we do in the beginning? No. Let's want to see some kind of bonus. Come on. 2 flags. Teach me with the 2 flags. Uh-oh. 4 more spins. Can something happen here? 3 more spins.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Ashley's right. Uh-oh is right. Last spin. Maybe not. We have 2 more spins. Uh-oh. Can we get on the last spin? Last spin. This boat's rocking. Big fat 0. Well, my luck continues on this game. And by luck, I mean, whew, bad luck. That was Dragon Link on a cruise ship. Maybe we'll try something else over here. Yeah, let's get it. Here's a new little game. A little devil laying in a nice chair. Where were we at? Yamava. We saw some guy on a 60-cent bet win $660. So we're gonna put $40 in, maybe play some $1.32 credits, and see if we can have the same kind of luck. What do you think?
Sounds good.
Okay, good. Let's try that. 132. Bet 132. Here we go. Now I'm not sure what we need for this game.
Oh, should we look at the rules? That looks good, but
it looked good. Didn't pay anything.
No. That also looked good.
I realize there's a play button on this left side. I don't have to reach across you. Oh, that's got to be something. 80 cents. Hold on now.
Oh. Cash money.
Cash money. Oh.
Oh, there they are.
Oh, okay. Piggies.
6 free games. Okay.
May trigger 6 free games. Yeah. Build it up.
Right.
Build it up. Give me 40 cents. Oh, something shook. Unless that was a ship moving.
Oh, that was the machine.
Yeah, that wasn't anything? I thought that was wilds. Oh, do you see that? It like moves to my finger.
Oh.
Ooh.
Like Disney.
Can I make something happen? Can I make something pop? Piggy pop.
Got something.
Oh. That's nothing. A lot of
Wow.
pretty lights.
Yep.
With nothing
The
happening.
looks are great, but it's not hidden.
Okay, I guess you need 6 of these, right, to unlock, probably? Just like... Whoa, ship's rocking. Oh, finally, my bet back, $2. Man, those look so good. They look like they're wilds. Oh, come on. That didn't do anything? Oh, the devil unlocks all those.
Oh, get the devil.
Man, we need
Oh,
the
you have to
devil.
get the devil now or during that?
I think we need to get the devil during one of those lock things. Oh, 6 free games.
Oh,
Right
someone
there.
got it? Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
We broke the piggy. All right.
Nice work.
All right.
There he is.
There he is. He's ready for me to press play to start. Here we go. Oh, good. He unlocks the little numbers up there.
Oh.
Okay, all right.
Let's go, devil.
Let's go, little devil. How about you drop one of those maxi bonuses or the grand bonus? I'll take 1,300 bucks. There we go. That's what we want. That's what we want. Break the other piggy. Oh, that piggy's getting... Oh, something's happening.
Get excited.
Something's happening. Minor bonus. Woo!
Good.
Woo!
Oh.
Yeah.
Devil. And you got the minor.
Damn, too bad that grand didn't pop.
Yeah, I would have taken that too.
Yeah, I would have taken that. Me too. I'll take this though.
Alright.
Right
Good job,
on. Right on.
These are the only devils I like though.
Me too. The one that pays. It can be as bad as it wants to be. Oh, a lot of crazy. Oh, another mini.
Oh, bonus?
Yeah, all right.
Love those, yeah.
All right. Looks like we're up on this machine.
Sweet. Oh,
Oh, all right.
devil's happy?
The devil's happy. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna play a couple 66 credits, just the smallest one. See what that guy, just like that guy did at the other place. And then we'll cash out maybe at 60.
Let's get some ice cream.
Devil.
Devil.
Oh, the minor. Let's see, a couple more spins. Oh!
All right.
He didn't break that? Oh, he broke it.
There it is.
Hey.
Wait, give me a second.
We're back. Actually, I had to readjust. All right, I want 890 on that. That's dope. Dope. All right, let's do maybe. What do you think? A couple more spins.
Are you feeling lucky?
On this game? No. But cool things been happening on here. Let's do. Oh.
Someone just won.
That looks good to me.
Oh, devil. Yeah,
Oh, that one, man. Is this guy gonna pop? Is he gonna
What
pop?
happens?
No.
No?
All right,
Okay.
that's good enough for me. We put in 40. We're cashed out. 27 up. There's a bunch of games to play here. Let's move on and try something else.
All right.
All right, let's get it.